Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the Ps4 quick menu. Press and hold the PS button. Once the menu appears, move to Settings then Accessibility. This is where System Speech controls live. You do this first so Minecraft's narrator state updates immediately when changed. Make sure Minecraft stays open in the background because you want to confirm voice feedback toggles off in-game rather than guessing. This step prevents extra restarts and keeps you in control of what you'll change next. Now, find the screen reader or text-to-speech entry under Accessibility and select it. You need to see the specific toggles. Turn screen reader to off. This is the main switch. While here, check speech volume and voice to reduce accidental triggers. Lowering volume helps if you plan to leave speech features on elsewhere. Once done, exit settings and immediately return to Minecraft to verify that the narrator and chat voice output have stopped, so you know the change took effect. Finish inside Minecraft itself. Open Options, go to Accessibility Settings and set Narrator to off. This ensures the game-level narrator is disabled. If voice persists after that, sign out and back into your Ps4 account or perform a quick reboot. Cached settings sometimes linger. Make sure to check for game updates and that controller shortcuts haven't accidentally remapped narration. If problems continue, confirm system, language, and speech packages aren't overriding game settings. Addressing that usually resolves stubborn voice feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.